Hello guys, welcome to my new playlist of Python tutorials. Today I am going to teach you about how to write your first program in Python. So let's start. This is my folder. I will open my IDLE Python. Go to file, new file, bigger it. Now just do as I show. Type print shift brackets, in the brackets double quotes, here HELLO, hello, WORLD, hello world. Now Control S, save the file in the folder which you want to save. This is our tutorial1.py. Save it and click on the run button and run the module. As you see, it shows hello world. This is your first program you have written in Python. Give congratulations in the comment section to yourself. In this line of code, there is a program called print. This print says that it prints out what you write in this command. In print command, I have written in double quotes hello world. If you write without giving quotes, or without giving single quote or double quote in the bracket, it throws an error. So you should keep double quotes while printing the string. This is called a string. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel, like the channel and share my videos, and save this playlist. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye bye.